9:33. It's at this point on Wednesdays we present Ask the Lawyer with Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Maybe today you'll get your question answered. I'll tell you how to submit a question if you have one coming up here in just a moment. But first, would you please help me welcome Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Good morning, Bruce.
Hey, good morning, Todd. How are you doing this morning?
Excellent. How about you?
I couldn't be better. It's such a beautiful day here in Southwest Florida.
That's exactly
I'm ecstatic.
What I expected. And boy, it has been gorgeous yesterday. Not a cloud in the sky, no matter where you looked. It was beautiful.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Now, that's just the weather. One of the reasons why you have been 51 plus years making a living and helping people in Southwest Florida. And you really do show that by each and every week giving of your time to answer questions here on Ask the Lawyer. We do appreciate that very much. And we have another one for you. Are you all ready to listen?
I am ready, Todd.
All right, let's see what this week's question is all about. Says here, my husband and I have been snowbirds from Ohio for over 10 years. Yesterday, my husband was riding his motorcycle by Nokomis Beach when a driver ran a stop sign and hit him. My husband was taken to the hospital with severe injuries which required emergency surgery. Oh, no. My brother-in-law wants to contact a lawyer friend in Ohio to handle our case, but I think we should hire a Florida attorney. Can an Ohio attorney handle an accident case in Florida? We really need some advice. Oh, well, there's several questions all in one here. Bruce, what do you make of that?
Well, I make of it that it's very, very important that they hire a Florida lawyer.
Okay.
Hiring a lawyer in Ohio would be like hiring a lawyer with his hands tied behind his back. He's starting at a severe disadvantage.
Okay.
Insurance companies are well aware of the reputation of a lawyer. Is he able to take the case to court and get a good verdict?
I see.
An Ohio lawyer is not admitted to the Florida bar, and the insurance company would know that all the Ohio lawyer could do would be to settle his case.
Mm-hmm.
So they would take advantage of that and make a lowball offer because our hammer, our weapon, is our ability to take the insurance company to trial when they don't make a reasonable offer.
I see.
So if the lawyer can't take the insurance company to court because he's not admitted to practice in Florida, the insurance companies are going to take advantage of him.
I see.
In addition to that, we're here in Southwest Florida. We have our own investigators. We know the local police. We know the highway patrol. We know the judges. And it just makes things much easier to navigate.
Bunch of good reasons. Now, that old expression, one's reputation precedes them. This is really the ultimate example of that.
That's 100% true because insurance companies know our law firm, and they know that they better make a reasonable offer or we're going to take them to court and put them down on the canvas.
Now, it says here, my brother-in-law wants to contact a lawyer friend, which, listen, I understand. I get that. If you know somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody who's a good friend and they're an attorney, that gives you a certain feeling of comfort. But I think even more important than that, though, they really need somebody who more or less can specialize when it comes to motorcycle accidents, right?
That's also true because it's a whole separate area of the law and an area, as you refer to most weeks, we're known as the motorcycle lawyers. There's a lot of separate areas that you have to be familiar with when you're handling a motorcycle case.
Right, and I knew you would be a little bit shy about saying so, but you are definitely known as the biker's lawyer, so that would be an important consideration.
So they should follow the wife's advice, and usually the wife has the best advice anyways.
I was going to say.
And hire a lawyer in Florida.
Follow the wife's advice. Good for hiring a lawyer or just about anything else. Bruce, Thank you once again for helping us get through this. Very complicated because of so many different questions, but you answered them all, and we appreciate that.
Well, it's my pleasure, Todd. Thank you very much, and looking forward to speaking with you next Wednesday.
As are we. Have a good week and say hi to everybody.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured, and our answer of the week. Now, if you'd like to submit a question for future consideration, it's really very simple to do. You just go to the website and put the keyword Bruce in the search box, take you right where you need to go. But if you're in a situation like this gentleman and his wife, might want to pick up the phone and call the Port Charlotte office of Associates and Bruce L. Scheiner instead, because that'll get you obviously much quicker results, and in this case, they need quick results. 941-743-7777, 941-743-7777. Tell them that Todd Matthews sent you from Kicks Country 92.9.